Pwede na start. No. Wala pa lagi.
Call. Good sa ka-call?
Ay naunsa ba man di ko nag
Tingnan ko. Ano nung presentation? Atra.
natutyo ami hinuon ni.
Sige, 1,
Sige, in 3, 2.
1. Garbage. Garbage is a trash, rubbish, or refuse is waste material that is discarded by humans, usually due to a perceived lack of utility. The term generally doesn't encompass bodily waste products, purely liquid or gaseous waste, or toxic waste products. Garbage is a part of our life and cannot be detached. So the problem is the type of waste commonly generated from food kitchen waste, papers, PET bottles, metals, and cans. Usually, nasa boxes, cartons, glass bottles, cellophane, plastics, yard or garden and waste. So let's talk about waste disposal. Waste disposal is a collection of processing and recycling or deposition of waste materials of human society. Waste is classified by source and composition. Broadly speaking, waste materials are either liquid or solid in form, and their components may be either hazardous or inert in their effects on health and the environment. The term waste is typically applied to solid waste, sewage, wastewater, hazardous waste, and electronic waste. Poor waste management contributes to climate change, and air pollution indirectly affects in many ecosystems and species. Waste production. The waste production from Philippines and on a daily basis from 2014 to 2019, which is we gather 35,580 tons in households. We have 3.2 kilograms, and each from individual has a 0.5 kilograms rather.
The garbage destinations are in landfills, river, seasides, and compost pit. So landfills. Landfills considered the last resort in the waste hierarchy, release methane, a powerful greenhouse gas linked to climate change. Methane is a form of microorganism present in landfills from biodegradable waste such as food, paper, and garden waste. Depending on the way they are built, landfills might also contaminate soil and water. So direct impact of waste disposal in health, safety, and security. The challenges in waste disposals are the examples of collection method, segregation, law enforcement, and public awareness.
So, good day. I am Dan Bagares.
I am Aliv Chevfreud Pausanos.
I am Marionver Broñola.
And I'm Junyl Niñofranco. And
We are Lifewire.
Lifewire.
So what is LifeWire? LifeWire is an energy startup company that aims to provide opportunities for a cheap and convenient life experience for everyone. So let's welcome Flexgen. What is Flexgen? Flexgen is a waste-to-energy thermoelectric generator. It is a waste incinerator that can generate electricity in any battery storage or export electricity to the grid by burning any flammable waste products from solids such as papers, woods, and plastics, and in liquid such as used cooking oil and used engine oil.
Okay, this is the 3D perspective of Flexgen. This is the internal structure of Flexgen, which composed of a bunch of parts from metal to plastics and any kind of materials. So this is a Flexgen. It works. First, I collect a garbage, which I stated earlier, and put it into Flexgen. Flexgen will run itself by operating by its user, and it will burn the garbage. Then after that, it will convert from the heat to electrical energy, and it will charge the battery. Flexgen works is similar from the waste to energy power plants, which is already in the market in the industry. Number one user of the facilities are from the Singapore and Norway and some in the Europe countries and most of in the rest of the country. So it will work similar, but the FlexGen works in similar way, but it has a size of a micro scale that can put aside any corners of your household. So just put any garbage, then converts heat, and the heat will absorb from the thermoelectric generator, which is Peltier modules, then converts the heat to electricity and export it or store it in any usable power storage. This is the other companies who use similar in FlexGen, but it was constructed for a large scale, like a 20-footer container van. Who are the target users of FlexGen? Number one is the households from urban to rural areas, private and public offices or agencies or establishments, agriculture industries, and also remote or isolated areas. This is the features of FlexGen. Number one is silent. Second is less maintenance. Next is no possible explosion. There is no high pressure content inside of the system. Next is affordable. And the last is turns the trash into cash. So this is the future output of FlexGen. Number one is the LifeWire will collect the garbage if the waste disposal facilities will want to coordinate with us to work with us. So LifeWire will collect the garbage with our collection units. Then it will we convert the trash to electricity, which is fed into FlexGen, then export it to the grid, and then the cash will flow, and the establishments will receive cash. And also we can receive, we will purchase your in-house battery storage, which is for those who are users of Flexgen. And Flexgen will charge the batteries, and the batteries will be the electricity of the garbage will be collected in our authorized personnel, and LifeWire will pay for the collected electricity. Electricity have been collected, then dispose it into the grid. So these are our target customers, which is the waste generating areas, or most of the urban areas have been selected. The schools, LGUs, and every household products. These are the target partners of LifeWire. With using Flexgen, the distribution utilities. These are the companies: the Cepalco, Moresco Uno, and also Moresco Dos, Muelsi, which is located in Misamis Occidental, Buseco, and also which is in Bohol. So, ladies and gentlemen, this is Flexgen. And for more infos or inquiries, just leave a message to LifeWire.incorporated at gmail.com. And their group members: Dan Bagares, Aliv Pausanos, Marionver Broñola, and Junyl Niñofranco. Good day, and this is LifeWire. Okay
Yeah.
na, Liv.
Sige, sige, sige.
Nice one.